Hi, I'm dgerard, and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, GitLab catches up to GitHub. Downward. Microsoft's code repository, GitHub, is a central point for open source software, and corporate development teams love it too. GitHub's been having really bad reliability problems lately. 86% uptime over the past 90 days. We don't have direct smoking gun evidence that GitHub is dying of vibe poisoning, but it sure feels vibe coded. Sucks if you work for a company trying to use GitHub for real work, hey? But GitHub has competitors. The number 2 code repository has long been GitLab, founded in 2011. GitHub's recent problems have given GitLab some publicity. So GitLab has seized the day. They've announced they're going to shoot themselves in the foot too, with AI. Yesterday, CEO Bill Staples posted, GitLab Act 2. Quote, "The agentic era affords GitLab the largest opportunity in our history as a company, and we're making the structural and strategic decisions to meet it." Unquote. You can translate that, right? He means layoffs. Announcements like this say AI to mean layoffs. You always go into your largest opportunity with less people, right? Staples' AI excuse for the layoffs is full agentic orchestration for everything. Quote, "AI is the substrate on which future software gets built." Unquote. His full pitch sounds like Gas Town for Enterprise, and it should be about as efficient and effective. I don't actually believe GitLab is going to do any of the agentic guff in this announcement. It's just C-level fever dreams. They will do the layoffs. GitLab's stock price was $52 a year ago, $25.64 closing yesterday, so it dropped over half in a year, and $22.37 at 2 p.m. New York time today, a 9% drop overnight. So the market does not love this clear desperation AI layoff either. And we already know that layoffs don't boost share price, they send it down. This was a very weird and dumb announcement from GitLab, especially at this moment. GitHub is busy destroying its user base. Business and personal users are desperate to find somewhere to move their stuff off GitHub just to have a system that works. This was the perfect chance for GitLab to advertise we're the one that actually stays up and working, and tune up their migration tools. But they have CEO brains, so let's try saying AI. So GitLab's going to suck too. Where do we move to instead? A lot of smaller open source projects are moving to Codeberg, which is run by a non-profit, but that probably doesn't help business users. At the moment, companies are holding on and hoping GitHub gets it together. There's also self-hosting a code repository, maybe with Forge.io, the software that Codeberg makes and runs on. But sometimes stuff turns to vibe trash, and you just have to pick up and build a thing from scratch yourself. You'll get a lot of practice when the AI bubbles finished popping. Great wasteland to explore. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Send a link to this episode to the GitHub hater in your life. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube. Leave a nice review on your podcast app. And don't forget, drop your $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes. Your best corporate value. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.